people are always looking for ways to cover those wide openings like sliding glass doors or nano doors. Well, this is a great solution. This is a Magna Pleat honeycomb shade. So what you have here is, instead of your traditional pleats, which are 3/4 of an inch, you've got the Magna Pleat, which are at least 2 inches wide. Taking a look at this, really nice clean look, bigger lines, opens real easy, which is nice. The great thing about this is it's got a very small stacking. You can go up to about 192 inches and you can put two together, so you can cover a pretty big span with this product. One of the other things I really like about this product is very clean when it's closed. You can get it in a light filtering material, you can get it in a blackout material. And the other thing I like about it is it can also be a room divider. So imagine if this was a room or a certain space, like maybe a loft area. This creates a great block or a great room divider as well. So these work as good room dividers. Other options you can take a look at is this is a nice, clean, modern headrail. And it's a nice, clean, metal, modern headrail. You can also cover it with wood, so a nice wood balance, or even possibly if you want to do something like a cornice box or a fabric treatment to give it a nice soft look. So this is the Magna Pleat vertical honeycomb product that we are able to offer you.